Oh, look at some definitions. Yes. Uh-huh. Now let's see here. Yes. The terminology, that's what judges use. Yeah. Aggregate. Yes. Appropriate authority means the authority having responsibility. Yes. For initiation of disciplinary process in connection with the violation to be reported. See Rule 2.14, 2.15. Yes. Then there's the de minimis. Yeah. In the context of interest pertaining to the disqualification of a judge, means an insignificant interest that could not raise a reasonable question regarding the judge's impartiality. See Rule 2.11. Now, a domestic partner means a person with whom another person maintains a household, yes, and an intimate relationship, other than a person to whom he or she is legally married. Yes. Now, I could be having domestic partners, yes, other than the person to whom I am legally married. See Rule Point 2.1, 2.11, 2.13, 3.13, and 3.14. Yes. Now, this domestic partner known as Heidi the Fat Cow. Yes. Mhm. Means a person with whom another person maintains a household and an intimate relationship, other than a person to whom he or she is legally married. It sounds kind of confusing. It's like you're married to somebody. Yes. But then you have a domestic partner that you maintain a household and intimate relationship with. You're actually cheating on your spouse when you're domestic partners. It's kind of like being married to a woman while having sex with another woman while having a household with another woman. Yes. Even though I'm legally married to another woman. Yes. Now, you would think that I'd have this obligation of only having an intimate relationship with the woman that I'm married with. But having a domestic partner, yes, having an intimate relationship with that individual and having a household, yes, while at the same time having a legal spouse, yes, he or she's legally married. Yes. I mentioned my want to divorce my wife, yes. And then I mentioned that I have the evidence that I had given you that I wasn't in Jefferson County. Yeah. I wasn't in Sequim, Washington. And for all the twins of Heidi Lee Budnick that have accused me of crimes, yes, I just needed to know, did we have sex with each other without me knowing your identity? Yes. See, during 10 years of marriage, yes, I thought I was only intimate with one partner that happened to be my wife. Yes. And as the spouse, yes, of that marriage, yeah, how many of Heidi's look-alike twins, yes, did I actually have a sexual relationship with? Now, I thought I did know the identity of my wife. Yes. And as often as she was naked, yes, I was naked too. And maybe, do you remember what I look like without my clothes on? Do you do? Now, isn't that funny? I do have some memories of you without your clothes on. Now, it wasn't that often that we stood together looking in the mirror. Yes, but maybe my wife has had some other men's hands on her. You know, I have the availability of divorce for unfaithfulness if she has had sexual relationship with any person since the time of the kidnapping of my sons. In fact, if I thought about all the